Hello guys, this is MinhyeokChoi3rdL32 third grade lesson 32. Let's get started. Half and half. A figure has symmetry if it can be folded along a line so that the two parts match exactly. The line is called a line of symmetry. Some figures have one or more lines of symmetry. Some figures have no lines of symmetry. Tell if the blue line is a line of symmetry. Write yes or no. So number one, the line of symmetry, it goes right in the middle right here. So if you take this part and flip it over the blue line, it would have that shape. So yes, that would be a symmetry line. Number two, we have blue line symmetry, line of symmetry right here. If you take this and flip it over, then it would be like this. So that it would not match. So that would be a no. Number three, we have the line of symmetry right here. If you flip this figure right here over the line, then it would go like that. So it does not match, so there the blue line is not the line of symmetry. Number four, the line is right here. If you take this figure, flip it over the blue line, we get this shape and it matches the shape. So yes, this is the line of symmetry. Number five, straight in the middle. This half, if you flip it over, is same as that side. So yes, that would be the line of symmetry. Number six, line of symmetry right here. Take that and flip it over and we get the same shape. So yes, that is a line of symmetry. Lines of symmetry. Draw the lines or lines of symmetry for each figure. So this one, we're gonna draw the lines of symmetry. So number one, if we draw the line of symmetry right here, we could take this piece and flip it and we get the same piece. For number two, we could do it straight in the middle again, and if we flip this, we get the same piece. Number three, we could draw a line straight down the middle, and that side and this side would be the same, and we could draw a line like that, and that side would be the same. We could also draw a line like that, and this side and the lower half would be the same. And we could also draw a line from here to there, and upper half and lower half, and lastly line like that, and upper half and lower half would have the same shape. Number four is a heart, so a split down the middle, and that side would be same as that side. Number five, this one we can't split down in the middle like that one, so we're gonna find the middle of the shape and draw a line like that. That shape would be same as that shape right there. Number six, split down in the middle again. That side matches that side, so that would be correct. Number seven, we can't do it straight in the middle because those side wouldn't match, so let's take the middle of the shape, and so that side would be same as that side when we flip it over. Number eight, we could take it like that, and the left side and the right side would be the same. But what we can also do is take like that, and the upper side and the lower side would be the same. Size wise, figures that have the same shape but may have different sizes are called similar figures. Tell if the figures appear to be similar. Write yes or no. For this one, we could see it's a perfect circle, and we could see that this one is also a perfect circle, but it's just scaled down. So yes, they are a similar figure. Number two, we could see that this line is similar to that line and that line. But for the little shape right here, that line on the left side isn't similar to the line on the bottom. So this is a no. It is not a similar figure. Number 3, we have 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 side, 6 sides, and 7 side. And then for this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the measurements of the sides is different. So this one would be a no. Number 4, that side, that line right there looks similar to that one, but just shorter. So is that line to that line comparison to that line, and that line to that line. We could generally see that this shape is just a scaled down version of this one, so yes, this would be a similar shape figures. Number 5, we could see that just like number 4, it has the same ratios, but it is just scaled down in size, so yes, it would be a similar figures. Number 6, the edges of the bigger shape is a right angle like that, straight lines, but when we look at the small one, it is rounded. So no, this would be not a similar figure. Number 7, we see a heart right here, and we see a smaller version of the heart, so yes, it is similar. Number 8, that arrow is longer, short, short. For this one, we only have short, 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 so that would be a no. Word problems. Colin says that a circle has too many lines of symmetry to count. Do you agree or disagree? Okay, so let's see it. A circle right here. Let's assume that it's a perfect circle. So if we draw a line anywhere on the circle, a straight line, this half, lower half, would be same as the upper half. Whereas if we draw another line, that half would be same as that half. That half, that half. So if we draw a line anywhere on the line, it would still be same when we flip it over. So yes, I agree. Amy drew a polygon with 8 sides and 8 angles. What is the name of the figures he drew? So 8 sides, 8 would be octagon. So that would, number 2 would be octagon. In 1959, John Pannekamp Coral Reef State Park in Florida became the first undersea park in the United States. How many years ago was this? So we're in 2023 right now, and it was all the way back in 1959. So that would be 3 is less than 9, so it can't subtract. Let's borrow that. So 10. 13 minus 9, which is 4. Let's borrow again. 10 right there. 11 minus 5, which is 6. And 9 minus 9 is 0. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So 64 years ago. Jody said that a heart shape does not have a line of symmetry. Explain his errors by drawing a line of symmetry for the heart shape. So let's draw a heart. And Jody says that there's no line of symmetry. So what he did wrong is that if he put a line straight directly in the middle, that left half and the right half would be the same when we flip it over the line. And so that's why Jody made his mistake. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys.